a big breath, and ready to dive into our history. Our origin. We opened in 1860 on the Ponte alle Grazie in Florence. Since 1900, our name became Orologeria Svizzera. Our first milestone, Radiomir, just perfect for underwater use. Applied to 2533 to outlive extreme conditions. In 1949, a new milepost, Luminor, was patented. After that, we specifically focused on the Marina Militare needs, designing the Mare Nostrum, and going even further, thanks to 6152. Thanks to our expertise, we supplied the Egyptian Navy with the Egiziano. Memorable, thanks to its distinctive protection bridge. While legends continued to be born, our family grew bigger, and we officially became, in 1972, Officine Panerai. To hold up under higher and higher pressure, our first ever 47mm in titanium was originated, the 1000 metri. Talking about legends, a custom model has been produced for Sylvester Stallone, hitting Hollywood in daylight. Then we developed the Luminor's Light-Tech series, named after his nickname. We celebrate achievements, Florence always been in our hearts, and new openings, like the first Panerai manufacture in Switzerland, where design, technology and passion finally came together. A new era began with the P2002, our first in-house movement, and by bringing Eileen back to its splendor and to the sea. Bronze, increasing its charm while time passes by, and reached our new Bronze saga. The Luminor 2 opened a new chapter of our history, which keeps enriching itself thanks to Luminor Lab ID Carbotech and submersible BMG Tech, as well as the official sponsor of Luna Rossa. 70 years of luminosity went by in a flash and were epitomized in the Luminor Marina, while we crafted our first recycled watches, Luminor Marina E-Steel and submersible E-Lab ID. We continue growing with our new boutique in Geneva, but especially to keep the time for everyone's luminous future. The legend continues. Una storia leggendaria.